you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey, nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and it's late at night in Uncle Chris's kitchen, and we're about to do some lazy cooking. All right, we're gonna do a pork roast. Now, I got a nice big one here because it was on sale for my grocery run. Remember, 99 cents a pound? Well, here he is. So I'm going to, as gracefully as I can, I've already rinsed him off, I'm gonna put him in the slow cooker. All right. Now, I'm going to take one onion and chop it up. How's everybody doing out there? It's going to be a quick video. I want to show you right now how to make, as I promised you, a one-pot meal. Here we go. Well, it could be 2 pots because we're going to do something to the potatoes. I'm going to give you an alternative choice. I will show you what we do. So let me just get all this stuff off of the onion. Because all the onion is seasoning for the pork roast. Now we're going to cut this in half. You can even do this for Easter to make an easy Easter meal. Take your onion, put it in there. Okay? All I did was quarter it. Now I'm breaking the onion up and I'm putting it in the pot. Take what seasonings you like. Now I'm just using a little spicy Cajun seasoning, salt free. And I'm putting it in here. On the meat. Now, I'm gonna grab me a big old clove of garlic. Smash him up a little bit. And I'm going to put him in here too. As soon as I get the peelings off. I've seen ways to get these peelings off easier. And I should have tried that. But we'll do that in another video. I just want to show you, hey, this is real life and this is real as it gets. Because I don't want to always make the videos perfect. Because I don't want you to feel like when you make it, something's going wrong or something does go wrong. No. I'm just breaking this up and putting this garlic in here. This is going to season it because remember, this is a slow cooker. So anything you put in here is going to be intensified. All right. Now, we got our seasonings in there. We got our onion in there. We're going to put our potatoes in next. So what we do is, so you can see me, I've already rinsed these off now. Okay. So basically, so what you do is, rinse off your potatoes. I got these Yukon Gold ones, okay? Put them in here, skin and all, okay? I got 5 of them. You can put more if you want, all right? I got all 5 in here, as you see. Now, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put some water in here, just enough to be about 1 inch from the top, okay? I might add just a little bit more. But you don't want to put too much because you don't want to boil over the sides. Then I'm going to take my lovely top and put it on top. I'm going to turn this on high and let this cook overnight. And in the morning, we're going to chow down. Okay, I'm going to see y'all back in the morning. Ooh, I had to let this cool down. But look how this turned out. Oh, look at that. Oh, my goodness. See, when you do something in a slow cooker, see what it does to it, how tender. And look, you just take the potatoes. They are totally done and full of the flavor from the pork roast and all the seasonings and moist. You can serve them as is. Just split them open. Put a little butter in the baked potato, salt and pepper if you want, and serve. I I told you, nieces and nephews, in the morning it would be a great meal. Remember now, I want you to like, comment, and subscribe. Big love from me, and write to me. I want to hear from you. Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef at gmail.com. Okay? All right. Bye-bye.
Uncle Chris, what you got?